What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about quality over quantity when it comes to low content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want step-by-step actions on how to create passive income with low content books, then click that link in the description down below or go to printingprofits.com with no G. So, low content books, quality over quantity. So why am I doing this video? Well, I hear people all the time saying that low content books is not a numbers game and you should always do quality over quantity. Well, with my strategy, I am playing a numbers game. Now, if you want to know my strategy, I do have a video somewhere. Let me see if I can find it quickly. Hold on, I know it's here somewhere. Here we go. So if you want to know my strategy, come and watch this video. Because with my strategy, it is a numbers game. The more books I have, the more I'm going to sell. Because I'm not trying to rank these books and get plenty of sales on one book, but have multiple different books in multiple different niches, each bringing me a couple of sales a month. Because then those couple of sales a month from multiple different books, hundreds if not thousands, is soon going to add up into a lot of royalties. So my strategy is quantity, but at the same time there's still quality. So why can't you do both quality and quantity? Now here's my back office month to date, the books I've sold. Now I want to show you this because you can see that I only have a handful of books that bring me a lot of sales, and then the rest of the books bring me sales here and there, and you can see that it soon adds up to quite a lot. So this is one of my best sellers, and then these are a few other books that bring in me quite a few sales. But if we scroll down, look, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, and then I have quite a few books that only make a sale a month. As we can see here, I have a few that sell 2, 1, 1, 1. Let's keep going down onto the next page, and you can see what I mean by most of my books only bring me in a sale a month. Now why is that? Well, I haven't gone after very saturated popular niches. I've gone after niches that only sell a few times a month. So no matter how many books I put out in that niche, it's only going to sell a couple a month because there's not a lot of demand in that niche. Now I'm doing this over multiple different niches, and I am playing that quantity game. The more books I have, the more I'm going to sell. But at the same time, they're still quality books. And also, by doing it this way, your income is going to be more stable, because you're not going to be relying on a couple of books that are bringing you in all of your sales. Say your book gets dropped off in the rankings, then all of a sudden your books that were making you the bulk of the money, that's going to drop off and you're not going to get all those royalties. But having hundreds if not thousands of books that each sell just a few times a month, that income is going to be more stable. And this is why I'm playing the numbers game. So when people say that low content books is not a numbers game, I have to completely disagree with them with my strategy. Yes, it might not be a numbers game if you've got a handful of books and you're running ads, because you're not going to need a lot of books. Now, like I said, at the same time, you still want to create quality books. Because I can see where they're coming from when they say it's not a numbers game, when people are just making real shitty books, doing the same design on multiple different colours, uploading them. Then no, it's not a numbers game. You could have 10,000 books and only make $100 a month if your books aren't good. But imagine having 10,000 books which are all quality. You could easily be making $5 a month. So the point of this video is to say, if you want to do quantity, go ahead and do it. The main focus you should be focused on is just creating quality books. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.